friends, let's do a phonics warm-up. Go along with me in the video. A, apple, A. B, bat, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, ed, E. F, fun, F. G, game, G. H, hat, H. I, itch, I. J, jug, J. K, kite, K. L, lamp, O. M, man, M. N, nut, N. O, octopus, Ah. P, pan, P. Q, U, queen, Qu. R, rat, R. S, snake, S. S, bugs, bugs. T, tap, T. U, up, V, van, V. W, wind, W. X, fox, X. Y, yellow, Y. Z, zebra, Z. CH, chin, Ch. CK, sock, K. SH, ship, Sh. TH, thumb, F. WH, whistle, W. Awesome job! Did you catch that new digraph? Did you see it? Yes, CK, say it with me. CK, sock, K. CK is different from K and C because it is always going to be at the end of a word after a short vowel. Let me show you. Tap it out with me. S-A-K, sock. See how there's a short O and CK at the end. L-A-K, luck. S-I-K, sick. B-A-K, back. P-E-K, peck. So remember, CK is always at the end of the word. Always, always. Let's do our vowel poster. Go along with me. A, apple. E, ed. I, itch. O, octopus. U, up. All right, let's do some trick words. Don't let them trick you. And. A. And. The. Of. As. Has. Is. His. To. Into. These are new ones for the week. we, he, she, be, and me. Our word family for the week. It's new, like it is every Monday. It is the an word family. An. Can you think of an word? A word that has the sound and at the end of the word. Remember, rhyming words or words in the same family have the same ending sound. Can you think of a word that ends with an? If so, shout it out at home. Did you think of fan or pan? Maybe even ban. Can, ran, tan, man, van. If you thought of one of those words, pat yourself on the back. If you thought of a different word, woohoo, good job.